Most Pokémon Go spoofers require a cracked version, which can put your account at risk. But don't worry, I've found a safe and secure spoofer that works with the original Pokémon Go. First, download iMoveGo on your computer and connect your phone. Select the game mode. Tap the Bluetooth connection without cracking. Make sure your phone's location is set to the real location. If unsure, restart your device. Scan the QR code on your screen to install iGo Hotspot on your phone. The first time you use it, in Me. Feedback. Enter the keyword iGo and the email address and submit it. Open iGo again and turn on DNS under Me. Toolbox. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, DNS, and select iGo. In Privacy and Security, turn off location services, wait 3 seconds, and turn it back on. In Location Services, iGo Hotspot, set it to Always Allow. That's it! This setup is only needed the first time. After that, you're good to go. Now pair your computer with your phone via Bluetooth, and you're all set to fake locations in Pokémon Go. It has all the hot features, like change your location instantly. Just search for a place or tap on the map, and your location updates immediately for access to more Pokémon and Pokestops. Then there's the Autowalk feature. Select multi-point or single-point mode, set the route and speed, and then click to move. Can you still spin Pokestops? Yes. Can you still catch Pokémon? Yes. I have to say that Autowalking is perfect for hatching eggs or completing long-distance quests. Now for the joystick mode. I'm sure you're familiar with it. Control your movement in any direction using your mouse or keyboard. Adjust speed and explore freely, just like in the real world. If you're looking for a safe, reliable Pokémon Go spoofer that works without a cracked version, this is it. Click the link below to download it now.